tell you that environment is important, but social and also economical aspect is also more important, especially for you youth, because we social with education.
If you do apply for any job in any company, you should know what the company is doing. But as I said, most people know what they are doing. Very few people know how they are doing. And even less people know why they are doing it.
But we need to exchange and discuss things together, what is the best, because we are in a very dynamic life. We live in a dynamic life. Things are changing every day. Technology, politics, whatever. So there is no single formula that can be implemented for tomorrow without agreeing and brainstorming together what is the best that can last more. This is number one. Number two is the challenge that we see a lot of challenges, which for me are not challenges at all. For me, important is to educate.
Don't look who to blame for the situation, but try to find a solution. That is the most important.